Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash. I am a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share daily market analysis of stock markets of USA, Canada, and UK, and I also share my daily analysis on 10 currency pairs including GBP USD, British Pound USD. Okay, and this analysis is for today, it's 23rd Feb 2021, Tuesday. So let's jump into the chart. You'll see that I'm using the 1 hour time frame, so I won't be switching to 4 hours or 1 day time frame because I'm just doing this analysis for today only. Okay, so mainly I'll be going to the 1 hour time frame only. So we can see that right now it is trading at 1.4080 and you can see a beautiful uptrend. It is taking support at the 20 period moving average and it is moving slowly moving up. Okay, so shall we buy then? I'll say then no. Okay, just let the price move above this particular point, particular point of 104 sorry 1.40 sorry, this point 1.4098. okay, let the price move above this particular point, and after uh, crossing this particular level, if this same trend continues, then you can buy. Okay, and what will be the perfect position to buy? The perfect position to buy will be when you see that the price has taken support at the 20 periods moving average and it has bounced from there. Okay, when you'll see that price rejection kind of a pattern, then it will be the best position to buy. Let me show you. Suppose this is the 20 period moving average. Okay, when price will hit like this and bounce from there and make a candle like this, okay, that will be the ideal position to buy, but only execute this above this level only, not below that. Let me switch to 4 time frame once, because to be honest I love 4 hours time frame. Okay, see, the 4 hours time frame is also telling us a similar story. Right now trading at a very good point, but we must wait till it uh, crosses the level of 1.4098. okay, when it will cross the level of 4098, then let it take support at the 20 period moving average. I have already shown you with the help of diagram how it should look like. Okay, that will be the ideal position to execute the trade. Okay, and in case it fails to break this level and comes down, you can short the market for a small profit, but I'll say that avoid shorting British Pound USD for the day, because right now it is an uptrend and you should not go against the trend. Okay, so wait for it till it crosses the level of 1.4098 level. Okay, and just wait for it. So that's it with the today's analysis, 23rd Feb 2021, Tuesday. Okay, I'll come down tomorrow again with tomorrow's analysis. So if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for daily market analysis. And if you want to know more about me, please visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck.